Hey guys, and welcome. I'm here with my little brother Malachi. He's riding my hoverboard, but he's gonna get off of it soon if he agrees to the challenge because he has this Nerf gun he got for Christmas, and we're gonna do this challenge, but we can only use 2 bullets each round for each person, so it doesn't hurt and we lose the bullets a lot. So we want to make sure that we keep track of the bullets and we don't lose any of the bullets. Ow! So the idea of the game is to hide and try to make sure the person can't find you, or you're going to get shot 2 times. But if they don't shoot you the second time, then you have a chance to run because they didn't shoot you yet. But if they shoot you 2 times, you're dead. Yeah, you're basically dead and you're it now. So you cannot hide in an obvious place. Like, you can't. First of all, you can't hide in his room. You already know that.
Why?
Because he's asleep. Okay. And I'm going to wake him up again.
You woke him up?
And he was awake when I opened the thing.
What?
But
I'm going to agree with this.
He's going to hide first, and I'm going to try to get my bullets ready. He'll get off the hoverboard because he needs to turn the hoverboard off because I don't want him to start flying off of it. But yeah, so I'll be the first one to be the shooter. Malachi, he will... Wait, Malachi, come here. Malachi, he's going to take the iPad, but he's not going to turn it off because the video is still going. So I want you to make sure that you don't touch anything on it except for this button right here. Okay. That button, okay? So you can face it towards you and tell them where you're going to hide. I'm not going to look, okay?
I want to hide. Right.
Oh, shoot. I didn't know you was even right there.
Don't shoot me in the head.
I'm not. I'm going to shoot you in the back.
Is it going to hurt?
No. The back is the only spot you can
Ow! Sorry. Okay, let me take the camera.
Yep. I'll take the camera and you can hide. I mean, not hide. Here's your 2 bullets. Don't put the bullets back in the gun. Put them in that little heart pull up there. Right there. The blue one. You see it? Mm-hmm. You put it in there. Don't look. Don't look.
I'm not.
I'm ready. Okay.
You're dead.
That actually hurts. So now Malachi's gonna take the iPad towards the wall.
Why is it fishing to the wall?
Because the way I handed it to you. Here, watch out. So I can go get in the spot. You can go ahead and start hiding. That hurts.
Does it? Don't look.
I'm not. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay. Close your eyes.
What'd you say?
Close your eyes.
I'm fixing the gut. Are you ready?
Yeah.